Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm doing something a little different where I'm going to record on my computer on iMovie. It looks really good, so I'm excited about that. But I'm going to be doing a very fun unboxing of the Black Series Shaak T action figure. I am so excited to open this. My sibling Eden got me it for Christmas, and I asked them if it would be like, tacky to do an unboxing, and they said it would be fine. So I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm very excited, and if you guys are excited too, keep on watching. Okay, this package is beautiful. It has gorgeous, oh, there's a little tape on it. That's fine. Gorgeous packaging. I'm probably going to keep the box because I love Shaak T. You can see her name right there. You can see how gorgeous this action figure is. I can't wait to get into the details of this figure. You can see her bio. A wise and patient Jedi Master, the Togruta Jedi Shaak T fought at the Battle of Geonosis and supervised the training of clone cadets on Kamino. Really basic synopsis of her story. You guys know I'm the world's #1 biggest Shaak T fan. Let's get her out of this prison, honey. See if I can open it without damaging the box. Well, it's secure, you know that. Oh, she looks beautiful. Oh my god. You can't really see it, but the box detailing is, oh, well, there you go. It looks like the Petramaki Arena on Geonosis from episode 2, Attack of the Clones. So that's a nice detail. Okay guys, are you ready? I am. Let's get her lightsaber out. And everyone who had Star Wars action figures as a kid, you know, you just bend the lightsaber until it comes out. You don't do it any particular way. As you can see, this lightsaber does come apart. It has some nice ridges to fit inside her hilt. Her hilt looks amazing. Very detailed. You can see the gold on her emitter. But it's also very simple for the toy, so I like it. The blade fits perfectly and it looks amazing. Let's get my queen out of here. Oh, she is gorgeous. Okay, let's start with this beautiful robe. It looks amazing. Her skirt is really long. The robe is very soft. It's a nice, thin material that, like, proportionately to the action figure, it looks really good. Her face detailing is beautiful. You can see her pupils and her irises, or not her irises, her eye shine. Looks really pretty. If you guys watched my Shaak T transformation video, you know she has white lips with a black line, and you can see that very pretty on her face paint. You can see her aqua teeth headdress. They're gold. I think they're supposed to be green, but I don't know. Her montrals, which are her top horns, are the hollow horns that she uses to feel the force around her. And then her leku are her horns on the bottom. And these both are beautiful. Very dark, muted blue. Almost gray, but not quite. It looks very realistic. Her back montral looks great. The painting looks exactly like it does in the show, or sorry, the movies. Looks amazing. Let's take this vest or the robe off of her. She is beautiful. Now the robe does kind of proportionate her body with how big her horns are. So it does look a little odd, but she does look good. She has these really fierce boots on. Love those. She's kind of giving brats, not brat. This skirt is kind of freaking me out. I don't know why it's so long. It's like cut in a very strange way. Let's see about hooking her lightsaber hilt onto her belt. Oh yeah, it fits great. Ooh, she looks so pretty. Her hands are molded red. They're not painted. They look really good. Looks like her décolletage is painted red, but her head, actually no, her head is definitely painted. There's a variation in color there, but her hands look perfect. There's a point of articulation in her shoulder, her elbow, and her wrist. Pretty good points of articulation. Let's look at her legs. She's got a thigh articulation up here, a double hinge knee joint, which is really good, and then a point of articulation in her feet. Her ankle looks great. Her leku and montrals are definitely pieced together, but it doesn't look like there's a point of articulation, so I'm not going to touch them. They are a really nice soft rubber. They're not posable, but they are flexible. You can kind of see it just goes right back to where it came from. And her back leku is definitely more stiff than her front. She has 2 grip hands, which are nice. Let's see, let's put her lightsaber in her hand. Oh, she looks great holding her lightsaber. She is beautiful. Oh, love her. Here, let's put her coat back on. The robe also has that strange kind of cut, but it makes more sense because her sleeves billow out underneath her arms. So that does make sense. Her hood is sewn down. It's not going to come over her montrals. It wouldn't look good. Oh, there's a little more detailing on her montral. Looks good with her headband or her headdress. Okay, so I did bend the lightsaber blade a little bit, taking it out of the package recklessly, so don't do what I did. Look how beautiful she is, guys. Are you kidding me? Oh, what a dream. The detail is 10 out of 10. The outfit's 10 out of 10. Her front like scarf piece is really pretty too. It's engraved. It's not just painted on. You can see the detailing on her montrals too. It's faded up just like in the movie. Although, you know what? You can see a little bit of variation on the bottom of her leku. She looks so pretty. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my review of the Black Series Shaak Ti action figure. She is so beautiful. This is my dream action figure. She's just beautiful, stately, cunty, and fierce. So if you guys liked watching my review, if you guys want to see more action figure reviews, more Bionicle reviews, more talking about Shaak Ti as my favorite character in Star Wars, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. If you want to see any more content from me, subscribe to my YouTube channel right down here, Gordiger1. I'm a world famous YouTuber and everyone knows who I am, so if you don't, you're kind of behind the curve. Thank you guys so much for watching, thank you for commenting and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, y'all, from me and Shaak Ti.